There's two of them. They're starlings.
Oh, they're so pretty.
It's a starling. It's a type of blackbird. I think. No, that's not. Starling's got black beaks. That's a woodpecker. That's a
Oh God, don't peck on the window.
That's a woodpecker. Look at that beak.
Yeah, look at that beak. That's a woodpecker.
Oh, real woodpecker.
That's cool.
Welcome to the woodpecker.
Oh shit, that nigga just hit the window. They're trying to get in the house.
Yeah, they're trying to make a nest. They probably want that fur right there.
Yeah. Oh, that's what's drawn them to the window.
Yeah. They want that fur.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm getting some good pictures of him. Sexy mama. Work it, work it, work it. Let me see that beak. Oh, you brought a friend. Ooh. Stop playing, girl.
He hears them. He's whining.